In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone with sound, so you can record your screen and your voice at the same time. So if you want to record a tutorial, gameplay, a video call, or anything else and include audio like your voice or background sound, follow these steps. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Look for the screen recording button. It looks like a solid circle with another circle around it. If you don't see it here, press and hold anywhere in the control center, tap Add a Control, search for screen recording, and add it. Now, if you simply tap the screen recording button, it will start a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and begin recording. But by default, this does not record your microphone audio. So let's stop that and do it the right way. Press and hold on the screen recording button. A new menu will pop up. At the bottom of this screen, make sure the microphone option is turned on. When it's on, your iPhone will record your screen and your voice at the same time. Once the microphone is enabled, tap Start Recording. You'll see the 3-second countdown, and now you can do whatever you want on your iPhone, open apps, play a game, or explain something while you talk. To stop the screen recording, you can either tap the red bar or red dot at the top of the screen, or swipe down to the control center and tap the screen recording button again. You'll see a message saying the screen recording was saved to Photos. Now open the Photos app, and you'll find your screen recording there, with both the screen and audio recorded. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new channel on YouTube, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.